Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I'm not sure what this, presentation is really asking for. So I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough of what I had planned and progress I've made towards the final project. So as a quick reminder, and I always kind of start with one of these, is kind of what the flow diagram looks like and who's involved with what. Um, you know, this is all essentially just me on this chart, but in the real world, this would be, an organization is kind of over here, and we've got end users on the right-hand side there. Um, so, we have the front-end devs who are working on sort of this front end, the web application. They're going to maintain all their code on Git. I haven't put this on Git yet, so I'll have to do that. We're going to pull that application down as cloud engineers or back-end developers onto the Google App Engine and spin up that application so that the clients can access it from a URL. Um, Kind of in the background, we've had data scientists working on a predictive model for our travel package prediction and whether our clients will successfully accept a proposal. Uh, they've got a working model that's using logistic regression that they built in sklearn. We're going to leverage some of the capabilities of Vertex AI to serve that model, but we're going to take the model from the back end, or the data scientists host it on the cloud storage, and have Vertex AI reference that stored model and serve it serve it as an endpoint so that it's reachable by our web application. So clients are going to make a post request and receive back a prediction from the model. That's how that's going to work. And, kind of we'll manage that infrastructure in the cloud, and the web application is going to be specified by the front end developers. Anyway, on the front end side, this is kind of the form that we're going to be using. It's like this, and I've been working on that kind of as an HTML template in VS Code. It's got some CSS in here too for styling. It's leveraging Bootstrap kind of as, and I've got some of the stuff I wanted to work on for displaying the prediction. I think we're going to use some JavaScript. That's going to be this sweet alert kind of toast strategy for serving the prediction. Anyway, on the code side, it's going to be, or the web server side, we're going to do that in Golang. That's over here on the left. Hopefully you can see that. Maybe I can blow this up a bit. 1 second. Yeah, okay. Hopefully that's coming through a bit better. Basically, we've got this struct of data that consists of everything on our web form. We can go back to that here. Maybe I can just shrink this actually and put this over here. Maybe it'll be a better strategy. Oh yeah, there's a, hold on. Boom. Boom. All right, hopefully that looks better. And I guess we could close this web template because we don't need to look at that code. So we've got the struct of all the fields here on the left-hand side, right? What we're going to do is we have this working template. We're going to load and handle any posts and convert those to, it's getting the request here, right? And it's taking the form value of, monthly income. I shouldn't have closed that, sorry. Hopefully it's still in my history. Load the folder, 1 second. Oh. Let's see where it puts this. Yeah, okay, there. Do split to the right. There we go. Close this. All right. So if you scroll in here, right, we're looking for this monthly income here. Those are the names of the, where's the passport one? Where's the monthly income? Right here. So that's the, name of the field, right, in the HTML that's referencing. So it's going to get that monthly income field from the form. And since it's handled, the JavaScript is strings, we're going to convert that to integers for all the fields, right? Some of these are Booleans, Boolean selectors, and in those fields, you have to return a default value if it's selected. That would be 1 and 0 if it's not selected, just as a reference. And then it's going to put those fields in our individual struct data structure. Export that to a details of the submission. And then currently, we'd make a post request with those details to our endpoint, and then return a prediction. But this is just printing basically the printing those details to the console. So I'm going to run this. You can see my history up there. Alrighty, so that was the static web page. We'll actually load once this spins up. Second, it's going to ask me for a firewall, hopefully. Yeah, there we go. We got that on 8080. There's our form. It's as a web server now, hitting it on port 8080. I have an issue with this ping file not loading. Hopefully I'll figure that out. If not, we'll kick that over to a real front-end developer in the real world. But anyway, we're going to make a submission over here, and you should see it print down in the console there. Oh, the monthly income didn't get imported. I'll have to work on that. I've got probably a spelling error in my template or something. Here, I'll flag this super deluxe so you can see that Boolean switch over there. So anyway, that's how this works. Again, I'll have to work on this monthly income field. It's not getting populated. It looks like I have some fields backwards here. The age is going to the second column. So I'll have to confirm with my model that this is the actually order of the fields that it's anticipating, right? So you gotta make sure all that is consistent. Otherwise, you're going to get some garbage predictions out of this thing. So anyway, that's I'll do all that for next week, and hopefully maybe I'll get this on the App Engine. Yeah, get that all up and working. And eventually, week 10, we'll be working towards full functionality of this thing. So App Engine integration with Vertex AI. So that's kind of what's I was planning on doing for the next couple weeks. And we'll talk to you soon, and hopefully I'll be able to learn from what you guys are doing too. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.